She's not working today, so I didn't.
Oh, yeah.
Good night. Good
night.
Bye. Be nice. Gimli's like, what's wrong with you?
Kind of like moving on them.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
We need a little background music. Like maybe from the Nutcracker or something.
Or, Peanut, get out of the way.
Don't you understand a video's being taken?
Stop song.
Or maybe the Nutcracker.
Oh, you missed the
Oh, something.
Look at those fancy
Come here,
shoes.
sister. You should have seen her, babe. Sister, come on. She doesn't know how to. Oh, sister, it's okay. So get. Sister, we're sick people, aren't we? We're standing around laughing at her.
It's hilarious.
Pure entertainment.
Listen, she'll get
That's the only reason we put those on you.
Maybe
Sister,
they
come
feel
here.
pretty good now.
Come here.
Maybe they're warm. Maybe I do like them.
So,
Yeah, see, she's taking a couple steps.
take a little while.
It's like,
She's
what?
not going anywhere.
What are you looking at me for?
well, this is the first time we've had him on. We're trying to do this and see if he'll do it.
How do you keep them on?
Well, this is the first time. I don't know.
Looking at it.
I keep saying I want to get boots for if it snows.
It's okay.
Well, we just don't know. So she doesn't like it. We're trying to get him off her. She doesn't know what to do.
Hey, okay. Okay, leave it.
Come on, sister.
Hey.
I know.
Yeah. That would have been better. I just wasn't. So,
Come here, sister.
sister. Tradition. Tradition.
I can't see her leg. There we go.
Better.
Oh my goodness.
Handstand.
She's like, get these things off of me.
Dying in the back seat.
Poor thing.
Oh, yeah.
You're so cute.
That is so cute. I want to see the full-on handstand again. That was kind of fun. Sister, she did a handstand. If she could make that connection, it'd be great.
I think you're just going to have to, unfortunately, torture her a few times.
And then when she sees me pull them out, she'll run away. Like
She's
she does
still
with the
shivering.
jacket. She hates the jacket, too. But without the jacket, she wouldn't be here.
Yes.
Sister, will you call her again, see if she'll come to you?
Come on, baby. Come on. Jack's going, what the heck is wrong with her?
She's like a crazy bucking donkey. Look at she won't walk in them. She won't walk.
Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. I'm sorry.
Oh,
I feel
sister.
bad, but I'm going to keep doing it. So,
Poor baby. You look so cute. You look styling. Icky.
hold Josie. I don't know what her collar is. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You're a big girl.